Have you ever wondered how to keep your family safe during the holidays? Let's explore some important food safety tips together. Did you know that washing your hands is crucial before handling food? Always wash with soap and water before cooking. Avoid cross-contamination by keeping raw meats separate from ready-to-eat foods. Use different cutting boards for meat and produce to prevent bacteria spread. Keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold. Invest in a food thermometer to ensure your dishes are cooked to a safe temperature. When reheating leftovers, make sure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know that foodborne illnesses peak during the holiday season? It's essential to store leftovers in shallow containers to promote rapid cooling. Check your fridge temperature. It should be 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below to slow bacteria growth. Be mindful of expiration dates on ingredients and leftovers. When in doubt, throw it out. Better to safe than take a risk. Avoid leaving perishable foods out at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Looking to prevent food poisoning this holiday season? When in doubt, cook it out. Now it's your turn. Comment below with your favorite food safety tips. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on food safety.